Hello everyone. Today we continue with our chapter 5. In the previous classes we have learned the importance of house, different types of houses, and today's our topic is a good and clean house. This is the last topic of chapter 5. How we can make our house good and clean. A house, big or small, is healthy and comfortable only when it is clean and organized. If our house is big or small, it's not a matter, but we have to make it clean and neat. Here, so many methods are given to make our house neat and clean. First one, there should be enough doors and windows for fresh air and sunlight to enter. Sunlight kills the germs in the air. So our house should be so many doors and windows, and it should be open. So if we open these windows and doors, the sunlight will enter into our house, and this sunlight kills the germs in the air. Kitchen and bathroom floor should be kept dry. Always try to keep dry our kitchen and bathroom floors. Drains should be kept covered to protect breeding of mosquitoes. So we always remember to keep our drains covered. Otherwise, what will happen? Mosquitoes and other kinds of insects will breed in these drains, and it will enter into our house, and it will make our food items and house dirty. So try to avoid the breeding of mosquitoes, and the drains should be kept covered. House should be swept and mopped daily. So remember to mop our house daily. Then it will look neat and clean. Things should be kept at proper places. We know that we have different kinds of things in our house. So it should have a proper place also. So remember to keep all the things in the proper places. If the things are not in the proper places, it will look dirty and unclean. So try to keep the things at proper places, then the house looks very neat and clean. It is also important to keep the surroundings around. So not only our home or our house clean, but also the surroundings. We should try to keep the surroundings also clean. It is our duty to keep the surroundings clean. Always throw garbage in a covered bin. Don't throw garbage here and there in our surroundings, but we have to put the garbage in the dustbin only, and we should be covered that dustbin also. Don't keep it open. If we keep it open, that dustbin, what will happen? Some kinds of insects and ants and other kinds of things will come into that garbage, and it will make our house dirty. Remove the cobwebs regularly. Cobwebs means the spider webs. The spider is making webs in the corners of our houses, so we have to remove it daily. So these are the things we have to do to keep our house and clean. Next, exercise B. Page number 37. Do this exercise in the textbook and also in the copy. We live in a house. Why we live in a house? A house protects us from heat, cold, wind, rain, thieves and wild animals. Huts are also called kucha houses. These houses are temporary and get easily damaged. Houses in hilly areas have sloping roofs. The snow can slide off easily from the sloping roofs. Next, we have one more exercise, that is exercise D, page number 38. Find out the answers of exercise D given in page number 38, and the answers will be discussed in the next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.